turn your photo into scroll stopping digital art with this effect in Canva. So let's start with it. For this, I will use this image, okay, and I will just cover it in the canvas here, making it bigger like this. And after that, I will just go to text and use a custom text, because if you want, you can use the elements and work on it. So let me show you that, which is if you go to frames and scroll down to find the later frames, you can easily use that. But the main problem in that is, if you want to change the font, you cannot change. So if you use my process, you can use any type of font you want, okay. And for this, I'm clicking on add a heading, okay, and I will write here gaze, okay. And after that, I will select this and change the font size to 240, and after that, I will change the line spacing at 0.72, okay. And after that, I will go to font here, and here I will write Gilroy, and I will use the black, okay, and I will just bring it here, okay. And I am planning to use this type of effect, but as you can see, if I use this part, the eye will not be visible as it is going beyond the text. So for that, I will just use this, place Ctrl+X to copy it or cut it and paste it here by pressing Ctrl+V. And now we need to cover this part so that the eye is visible. And for that, we will go to elements here and just scroll down to find shapes here and use the basic shape of triangle, and you will just bring it here and cover this hollow part, okay. So as you can see, it is covered. So let's make it slightly smaller so that the A is also visible. So after that, I will just download both the images. Make sure both of them are in PNG, and I will click on download. Now after that, when the download is done, click on add page and just re-upload both the pages, okay, and just keep it side by side here. And after that, go to apps, here write blend and click on blend image. Use the bottom layer as the text layer, click on use selected image, and blend mode will be in screen, top layer will be the model image. So after that, I will click on add page and click on add to design, and I will show you that it will be a white background image. If I use any type of background color, it will be white in shape. So first, I need to use a BG remover to remove the background, okay. And after that, just crop the parts which are not required and remove the background layer. And after that, come to the previous page and select this model image and just paste it in the next page and just cover it till here, okay. And after that, right click it, go to layer, send to back. And for the text layer, I will go to edit and scroll down to find shadows, click on see all, click on outline, scroll down to find size, and here use 10, and the color will be white. And after that, just crop the image till here, okay, and it will look like this. Now after that, I will go all the way up to text again and click on add a heading again, and here I will write magical gaze and use the same font Gilroy, but this time I will use just the bold one, and I will rotate it to 90 degrees, minus 90 degrees, and I will just bring it right here. And after that, decrease the size to 56 and place it here. And after that, I will use a caption, suitable caption for this image. And for that, I have taken the help of ChatGPT here, and I have written magical gaze caption for Instagram. And for this, let's use this one, eyes full of untold stories. And after that, I will just copy it and duplicate it and use the text here. And after that, I will just use Canva Sans default font, regular, and let's make it smaller. Let's make it 32. So this is the design. Let's make both of them bigger. And you can change the text to a gradient text. And let's bring it right here. And this is the final design. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you learned something out of it. And please subscribe to the channel for more unique tutorials like this. Thank you.